Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll have a look at how to rename a sheet in Tableau Desktop Public Edition. First, you will need to open Tableau Desktop Public Edition. Once it is opened in a landing page, as you see it on screen here, you will need to load and read in a dataset. In today's tutorial, I'll be using the Uber Fares dataset that we have seen and used in the previous tutorials. So I'm just going to first drag and drop the Uber Fares dataset into Tableau Desktop Public Edition session that I've opened here. And now that the dataset has been loaded, in the bottom left-hand corner here, we have an orange tab, which is saying Sheet 1 and Go to Worksheet. So I'm going to click on this tab, and it will take me to Sheet 1. And in this sheet, first, I'm going to create a line graph. So we'll need to first change the data type for the field Pickup Date Time, this field here. Right-click on it, and we'll change it to Date Time. So here, there's an option after we have right-click Pickup Date Time called Change Data Type, and we're going to click on this option Date and Time. Okay. So that would then change the data type for that field to Date and Time. And then to create a line graph, I'm going to be using the two fields Pickup Date Time, we just change the data type for, and Passenger Count. So I'm going to first drag the field Pickup Date Time to rows. And so this is going to show me a table with just the different years in the data set. And so there is the starting year is 2009 until 2015. So that's the years captured within this data set. And then I'm going to drag the field passenger count to columns. And this then shows me a line graph, and I can then change the presentation with the years in the rows and then the value in the column. To do that, we can just do a switch. And so this then shows me the years is along the x-axis, and then along the y-axis, I then have passenger count. Now that we have the line graph created, to then rename this sheet and give it a more descriptive name, I can double click on sheet 1 here. This will then bring me to collapse mode with the words highlighted here in blue. And then I can start typing and give it a new name. So I can call it Uber passenger count analysis. And then this would rename the sheet name and also the title within the sheet. So there you have it. This is how you can rename a sheet in Tableau Desktop Public Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content, and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.